The biggest sale week of the year is nearly upon us, and I did hours of research in finding the best early Black Friday deals you're not going to want to miss. So grab a peppermint mocha and let's do some shopping. And we're going to kick it off with some good ones. We're starting off with some top anticipated Black Friday items that have already started on sale. Kicking it off with a phone. Yes, the Samsung phone is going to have a price drop of 23% off. It is very rare that we see a phone these days run on deal. This is the 256 gig and it's the Galaxy S24. So if you're into Androids, been waiting for a sale to happen, now is the time. And like always, everything will be listed down below in the description box, correlating with the number you see here on the screen. And the GE Nugget Ice Maker, we're seeing a price drop of 25% off. This went viral last year, so very anticipated to see this run on sale. This makes 38 pounds of little nugget ice cubes in 24 hours. The size is 0.75 gallon, and it is Wi-Fi and smart connected. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like there is definitely a difference in a taste between a nugget ice and just like your typical ice that you get out of the freezer. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments. The Chefman multifunctional air fryer also functions as a rotisserie, hydrator, a convection oven, and then 17 touch screen options. So you can roast, you can fry, bake, and it's extra long family size. So we are seeing a 43% off price drop, which brings it below $80. And what has been a game changer for our family is putting chicken and like fish, salmon in the air fryer. It tastes so much different than you would cooking it any other way, and it's just delicious. Now is the time to stock up. Another very anticipated deal are the DeWalt lithium battery. Now this is a 2-pack. We are seeing these 42% off. So a great gift idea for any guy in your life, especially a handy one, but also just great to have on hand in general. The Nespresso with the frother, we're seeing a 35% off price drop. Now this frother, you guys, you cannot be, as like a coffee connoisseur, I love my coffee. This frother is 10 out of 10. I've used it strong for like 2.5 years now, and it's seriously, guys, just the best of the best. And I also am obsessed with my Nespresso maker. I mean, if you like bold, flavorful coffee, I'm telling you, it makes all of the difference. So great time to snag it, 35% off. And guess what? The Aura Ring, the Generation 3, on the lowest price that we have seen it, 17% off. So it's basically what I call this a smartwatch on as a ring on your phone. So you can track things like fitness, heart rate, sleep cycles, and more. I like how simple this ring is instead of being like a bulkier watch. Just personal preference, but it does come in different metal finishes, gold, silver. And I think this will be a top gift this year that people are gonna want. A cutting board with lid, genius. Why are more cutting boards do not come with lids? This is amazing for hosting during the holiday season, but if you have a cheese board, a charcuterie board, you can just lift that lid on top of it and take with you on the go. It's genius. There's been so many times where we've not put together a board, or we've had all the items in like a little Tupperware, and then when you get there, you fill it out. This solves all of those problems. Price drop of under $25 and fantastic gift idea. Silicone pot holder set, 42% off, which brings it under $12. Comes in a variety of different color options. I love that you can use these mitts to pull things out of the oven. If you have a hot cast iron, you can move it around with these, as well as use it as a hot pot on your countertops to protect them, or your table as you're eating. Packing cubes. I drag my feet so long on good packing cubes, and once I have them, I'm like, this is game changer. I even use them for my little kiddos. All of their little outfits I can plan out. We just took a long, like a 10-day trip down to Florida. We went to Disney, and I had separated all the kids' clothes with packing cubes, and it makes all of the difference. We are seeing a 47% off price drop on this set, bringing it below $20. And this is a 5-piece set that comes in a variety of different color options. So for the travel person in your life, this would be a great gift. And the electronics, I feel like on Black Friday, the electronic deals it's their time to shine. The best deals that you're seeing all year round. We're gonna be kicking it off with the Bose headphones. So they have the headphone option as well as the earbuds. And I've only seen these really run on deal on Prime days. This is the lowest price year to date on these earbuds. Noise canceling, and they have up to 8.5 hours of playback. And Bose is like a premium brand, so quality is there. Available in black, a lilac-y purple and white. And then the headphones, we're seeing a 43% price drop on those. They also come in a variety of color options. Now, those do go over the head, so there's 2 options that are on early Black Friday deal already. And if I have to pick a favorite deal in today's video, it has to be this portable phone photo printer. So for example, if you're on vacation, you want to print them out on time. I find if I don't print them out in the moment or right around it, it never gets done and there's new photos and I just miss it. So I love the fact of phone photo printers. I think everything is on our phone these days and anything can happen at any time. So it's great to be able to have them tangible. Okay, the designer look for less belt that I share in so many of my fashion try on hauls here on Amazon comes in a 2-pack, 20% off. If you like to wear a belt around your midsection to cinch in a sweater or a dress, this is the belt to grab. Comes in a pack of 2. I mean, the hardware, the design on it is just beautiful. It really is a total designer look for less. You're going to be saving a lot of money on this and you snag it on Black Friday deal. 33% off plus an extra coupon. One of my go-to favorite sweaters. This one I'm actually wearing right here today is on early Black Friday deal. So it comes in a variety of different color options. I've shared it in multiple at this point. I mean, the quality is so good. The fabric is incredible. I size up to a medium and then it's long enough to wear with leggings to cover the bum. If you just want to tuck it into your favorite style of jean, you can go with your true to size and it front tucks really easily. But you can't beat this quality. It feels like something you would have gotten at Nordstrom or a higher end store for hundreds of dollars. Like, it's that good. There's a reason why it's a bestseller. And my go-to sweatpant, price drop of 20% off. These are just the best. They're that butter soft luxe fabric that seems like it gets softer with every wash. I love the pleat on the front. It's a flattering sweatpant, so it's a little bit of a dressier option. I love throwing it on with a fitted top and a sweater over my shoulders, and it's just beautiful with your favorite pair of sneakers. It's just very elevated loungewear and it comes in so many colors. I think at this point I have 3 or 4. Like, it's really good. And our favorite 2-piece lounge set, which is going to be a go-to for you this winter season, also great for travel. Another fantastic look for less option. 20% price drop, comes in multiple colors. I do wear my true to size small here. I've shared it in the navy, a green, and I think a black option. And it's so easy to layer a vest, a jacket over top of it, and it goes great with your favorite sneakers or slippers. This is a really cool gift box that you could give to someone. I will leave the promo code here on the screen that you can get 45% off plus an extra 10%. So you're gonna see 50% off on this, which is gonna bring it down to about $14. And this sounds so amazing right now at the end of a long day, cozying up to lavender bath products. This would be great for a little spa night, and I think this would just be such a thoughtful gift, especially for a hardworking mama or someone you just know loves a good bath. Guys, I'll be honest, I thought these eye patches were totally overhyped until I started to use them, and I'm like, these are literally caffeine for your eyes. It is insane. I'll put them on even within a couple minutes. Obviously, it's better if you leave them on longer, but they're so cooling to your under eye. They have anti-aging benefits. These are great to even get a pack and throw into some gift boxes for some of your friends, co-workers. We're seeing a price drop of 27% off, and it comes with 24 pairs. And I don't know, when you put these on, it's kind of just like that morning boost you need. I'm obsessed with them. The Clover bracelet is going to be 20% off, bringing it under $11. I am not wearing it today, but I wear the Clover necklace almost every single day, and I'm not even kidding you. It's like $9,000 less than the designer one, and I wore it showering. I've worn my Clover necklace literally to death, and it still looks great. So my $10 Clover necklace, great look for less, and then you can get the matching bracelet today, 20% off. An electric screwdriver, it's genius, especially if you have little kiddos that always have toys. I feel like kids' toy batteries go so quickly. It's just super handy. It comes with all the different head options. Great gift idea for a man in your life, but even a mom. I mean, it's great. I love using it. They're fantastic. 20% price drop, which brings it under $28. And I would recommend keeping it in the case. It has everything together and just keeps it more organized. And you can upgrade your kitchen, your cabinets with these pull-out drawer organizers. We're seeing a price drop of 40% off. Now make sure you measure your drawers just so you know exactly what you're working with. So when you order it, you get the exact size that you need. That is going to conclude the top early deals you can start shopping today. This is going to be a whole series through Cyber Monday, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Tune back tomorrow. I'll see you guys. Bye.